No, the campus is closed. Not really places to get food. So just came to the bar, got some real quick food. Yeah, it's been kind of tough. I'm not really used to hurricanes. I'm from Cali, so it's different. But it is different. It's not much of a big effect to me. Just a hard time right now. No lights. Electricity. Just something different. But it'll turn around soon. So
we have bag lunches that should last us for the entire day with sandwiches and snacks and 3 bottles of water. So that is really helpful.
Thank God for the people, for the staff, for feeding us. Benny also, he didn't have to come here. He did. Everybody's hot. I know we're all hot. And we all want the power to come on. But at the end of the day, just be thankful. There's gonna be some hard times, but always put a smile on your face.
So the effects of Hurricane Beryl are actually insane. Just standing out there looking at the storm, I didn't think it was gonna be this bad. I've never been out without power this long. So this is definitely an experience for me. And the workers on campus, I'm really happy that they're here to help us. Even the coaches and people in financial aid, I've talked to them and they don't have power, but they're here at the school too, just to help us out and give us food and make sure that the places that do have power are available to us so that we can charge our devices.
Well, my house lost power about the same time the school lost power, just like everybody else did. But then what happened was Chief, I, and Steve Maniaci got together and we decided to open this place up. The students can have some AC and have some internet, as well as a place to just kind of keep cool, as well as we all got camps on campus too. So we decided to let them in and be able to get some AC as well. And I've been opening it up every day, trying to get here at about 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30, and then I leave about 10 o'clock at night.
Our student athletes arrived on campus and a hurricane hit on Sunday. So, everything continued to get pushed back and tabled, and then, with some flooding around campus immediately and, needing access to food and just trying to find creative solutions. What we found is that if there's going to be a hurricane that causes some trouble, you want to be a part of a family like Houston Christian. There's so many people to thank. I don't know where to start, but I do know this. I do know it's the HCU community that came together and worked to find these solutions, so our people were taken care of to the best of their ability.